All right, so today we're going to toss these scope rings on an old 880 Powerline from Daisy. Now, hopefully this looks pretty familiar for most of y'all. These 880s, I mean, most of us grew up shooting these. I know I put the paces on a couple models, and these things are great little plinkers. I mean, I don't know about y'all as far as how many pumps, but comment down below, what was your maximum pump on this 880? Did you go up to 12 or did you go past that? Because I usually would stop at 12. But anywho, scope rings are easy to slap on, pretty self-explanatory, but we got it all cleaned up. You guys can see trying to put a decent amount of space to where I should be able to drop this 4x32 CVLife compact scope. Of course, the rings that are currently on it are for like actual full-size Picatinny rails, so I'm going to go ahead and pull these off real quick, and we should be able to drop it on here soon enough. Yeah, it looks like it'll be a good fit, so I'm going to go ahead and move forward and get these rings topped off, get those screws back in place real quick, and yeah, that's about it. I think she looks pretty good. I'm optimistic that this is going to improve our shooting experience with this little 880 times 5. So I'm going to go ahead and just line it up, make sure that it is exactly the way that it needs to be. Oh, okay, so drop test. Got to have that. But I'm just going to pump this thing up a couple times and take multiple shots in the same spot. But before I do that, I want to make sure the crosshairs are perfectly vertical, and by doing so, I'm going to look at the rifle, look at the scope, look at the rifle, look at the scope, etc. But anywho, get this guy adjusted, and I'm just going to take a few shots, make sure I get it sighted in. I can see where these are hitting. I'm only about 10 yards away from the target. I'm just shooting into a little white piece of cardboard. I do apologize in advance for not showing any footage of the shots, but just wanted to show what this compact scope from CVLife looks like on an 880, and that this is definitely a great upgrade for our little 880 from Daisy. This Powerline model is so much fun. If you guys grew up shooting one of these like I did, please comment and share your stories down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.